Bagong taon. Perfect time to stop and reflect. Isang taon na naman ang nakalipas. Ano ba ang ating mga naiwan? Ano ba ang mga natutunan natin? At ano ba ang nais natin para sa hinaharap? As a Filipino-Canadian, I often think about the stories we tell about ourselves. Mga storya ng resilience, sacrifice at pagmamahal para sa pamilya. Ang dami nating kwento na paulit-ulit na lang natin naririnig. Pero minsan, naisip ko, what about the stories we haven't told yet? And that's my first wish, to create more meaningful stories about us, Filipino-Canadians, migrants, how we build our lives here. Stories that goes beyond the surface. Hindi lang hirap o tagumpay, kundi kung paano natin binabago ang kwento natin para sa susunod na generation. My second wish, understanding. Let's be real. Unity is a big dream. Hindi natin to marireach kagad. Pero kung hindi natin kayang magkaisa, maybe we can understand each other, makinig, to help one another move forward. Bawat tao may dalang kwento, may dalang pangarap. Kung matututunan lang nating magtulungan, kahit sa simpleng paraan, imagine what we can do. And lastly, maybe this is just a dream, but I wish for a creative sports and entertainment hub. Siguro yung kasya kahit isang basketball court, isang lugar na atin, a space where we can collaborate, share ideas, and explore what it means to be Filipino-Canadian. Imagine a place where artists, entrepreneurs, students, and leaders can come together. A place to support each other to grow and to reach our full potential. Hindi imposible, but it will take all of us. So ngayong simula ng bagong taon, kinikerry ko ang mga wishes na to with me. More stories to tell, more understanding, and maybe one day, a place to build together. Bagong taon, bagong pag-asa. Para sa atin at para sa susunod pa. Para sa kwento natin bilang Pilipino sa Canada at kahit saan pa.